A Monarch 10EE. It's a 1940. Owned by a clockmaker. Repairs. Single phase. It's got a Motormaster 20,000 series VFD on it. He made a homemade cutoff on there. It's got taper attachment. I'm going to walk around the back side here. Let me disengage this. Okay, forward, brake, reverse, run. There's a Volvo transmission in it right now. Comes with the spare transmission. We got power to it. This is also single phase. We're gonna let this go with it, which you can get pretty big money for it. This thing is making noise. This obviously hooks up somewhere inside the lathe, but I'm just showing you that it works, runs. Okay. Also, there is a 3-jaw on it. There's a tool post. There's a dog plate, a couple of them. There's a ROM 4-jaw with reversible chucks, jaws. There's another ROM 3-jaw. This box here is for the ROM 4-jaw. All this will go with. He also made a couple homemade steady center and set it on there. It's got the groove in the bottom to go on the lathe. And this one bolts on the other end of it. Anyways, he had those made for the lathe. It has the manual. It's a 1940. Ready to go. I'm gonna see where the stamp is on here for the. Oh yeah, down here. Excuse me. Date built 4 of 1940. 10 EE. Serial number matches the serial number on the manual from Monarch. Okay. That's about all I can show you. It's a 5-minute video. Plus. Thanks for watching.